Next up, I'm going to add some resources to my resource manager. So up here under resource manager for this Untitled 2, if I want to organize my different resources, I can go ahead and create folders up here. So I will click on New Folder. I need to be specific about the folder type, and so right now I'm going to add some text to this template. So click on this, and then I'm looking for a text style folder. So I'll just come down here and call this text style. And then back up here in the resource manager, you can see when I added the class for the plants component tags, I already had a text style associated with that. And so I can just click and drag that so that that lives up there under the text styles. But now I need to find some additional resources that I've created. So I'm going to come in here and go File and Open, and I'm going to find the file that has the text styles that I want to include. And so that is going to be from the text and call out lesson. So I'll open that up. From here I can open up the resource manager, and under 1.5 labeling, you can see that I have two different text styles here. So I'll just select both of those, and then I can come over here to Untitled 2 where you see this text style folder. I can just click and drag those over there. Another option that I have would be to right click and then go down here to export. I could move it that way as well. Let's just come over here in Untitled 2 and just verify that I now have 3 different text styles within that folder. And the last thing that I would like to do is I'd like to add the plant list that we just created. So I could add that to this Untitled 2 folder the exact same way that I just added those text styles, but I also have another option, and that is to come up here to the actions or the settings icon right here. I can come up here and browse a document, so I can scroll and find where that plant list would be saved. And so right here is showing that this is the browse document and it is the plant list file. And so if I scroll down here to the bottom, I can see here is the PCC plant list that I would like to include. So I'm just going to click and drag that over to Untitled 2. Let's look inside of Untitled 2. And so now I have that PCC plant list in the resource manager for the file that's going to become my template. So let's go ahead and close out of the resource manager. I'm now done with these other files. So I will just click out of those.